Good afternoon, party people in the place to be. It's your boy Drone Dreamer. So you got you, me, Air 3S, and the nice high quality Municipal Stadium for minor league baseball in San Antonio. So we're going to record some drone footage. So without further ado, let's get to it. There we go, people. There goes the stadium. Beautiful, beautiful news with the Air 3S is technically I don't have to get too close. Look at that beautiful view, people. Look at that beautiful view. Look at that beautiful view, people. Let's stroll on around here and get a view of that signage. So let's get a nice little view of the sign. If you ever in San Antonio and want to watch a minor league baseball game, it's gonna be your place. So we're gonna get them with the 2X. Towards an orbit. Nice little view. Going on 2X. That's a better little view. There we go. Stadium pretty clean, y'all. It's a nice little stadium for minor league, baby. I don't know about y'all, but they look kind of clean to me. Let's get a little bit closer. A little bit higher. There we go, a little bit closer. Now, today is July, what is it, 16th, 2025. It is 60 degrees in San Antonio. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day to be flying a drone. If you ever been in this part of Texas, you know we only have two types of weather. 9 months around the year. That is hot and hot as hell. We get a little bit of relief around January, around December, January, and February. And after that, it's back to business as usual. So yeah, this is a nice little stadium, y'all. Nice stadium. Minor league stadium. Look at the dugouts. Look at the bleachers. The box. It's a nice little setup, people. Nice setup. Look at that. Look at that beautiful field. Beautiful field. We're gonna go backwards. And bam. take us a little orbit around the stadium. And then once we hit that back end side, we'll try to get around and get you a batter's view. Of the stadium. And if you're looking at the screen record, I am where the H is in the parking lot. So I didn't see any no drone signs or anything like that. For that good old return to home.
Return to home.
It's time for that good old return to home. Well, it's been fun, people, but we gotta go. So it's your boy, the Drone Dripper. Remember what I always say: all this fancy smancy stuff, just get out there and fly the damn drone safely. Till the next episode, people. Peace.